Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Just a short video today, just sharing something that may or may not make your day a little bit easier out there detailing. Maybe more valuable for a mobile detailer than a shop detailer, but I enjoy it here nonetheless. This here, I just ordered another one, is a light weight waterproof canvas top, which it's what would be a beach table or a picnic table that folds up and stows away easily when you're finished. I have been using it for a detailing cart, so to speak, or a polisher holder, polish and polisher holder as I go around the vehicle. Something that's safe, that is lightweight, and if it bumps up against a car, it is protected. It will not scratch the vehicle. Let me unfold this and show you what it looks like. Out of the carrying bag, it's just two pieces to snap together. Overall dimensions 28 inches deep, 28 inches wide, and 24 inches high. Again, canvas and aluminum, and it can bear weight up to 55 pounds. Being waterproof, any spills, either your correction fluids or maybe a drink or two, will be kept at bay and will not drip down onto the floor. And this is what it would look like. You could put four polishes in there, lay more polishers down below and up above in a nice, soft, safe environment. And I'll show you how to stack it or load it up. And there you have it. Just a little over $40 delivered, compared to some detailing carts that start at $100 and go way up from there. Okay, so you could just pull the cart after you. It has plastic feet that do slide rather easy on most surfaces, but I went out and picked up four casters under $10, and they will hold way more than the table or the cart itself can hold, so they will work perfectly fine. We will just drill some holes and screw them right on to the bottom of the feet and make it mobile. That's all there is to it. And now you have a mobile cart, so to speak. And if it does brush up against the vehicle because of the protected felted sides, just like the same material on the edges of your drying towels, it's perfectly safe. Load it up with absolutely everything you need. It will fit, and it's time to get to your paint correction. When you're finished, as a mobile detailer, fold it up, pack it in the van, take it home. If you're in a shop environment, fold it up, put it in the carrying case, and just hang it on a wall and get it out of your way. Just something I thought I would share with you that's economical and may make your day just a little bit easier. This has been Brian from Apex Detail, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.